After watching a clip of the vicious velociraptors from the classic film Jurassic Park, it may be difficult to comprehend that such an amazing beast and something as simple as a pigeon could ever be related to one another.
This is a picture of a normal American robin. I know that it's hard to imagine that a velociraptor turned into this, but it did. Over the course of millions of years, this brilliant creature evolved several times to get to where it is today. This all happened through the fascinating process that we like to call evolution.
This is a picture of an Archaeopteryx, one of the earliest forms of flying species. It evolved from a variation of the velociraptor, and over several generations it acquired feathers, longer arm limbs, and a significantly smaller tail.
This is a picture of an Iberomysornis. After evolving from the Archaeopteryx over time, it developed strut-like bones that brace its shoulders to its chest, a tail stump much shorter than its preceding ancestors, and feet with a natural ability to perch. It had a more powerful flight stroke than the Archaeopteryx, allowing its flying ability to exceed that of any of its ancestors.
This is a picture of Enantiornithus. It had an enhanced flight maneuverability because it had skeletal fusion and a thumb wing. Over 50 species of Enantiornithus have been named. Knowing this, we can say that it was an abundant species.
This is a picture of an Ichthyornithoformis. It had the same flying abilities as modern-day birds do, but it was physically different from them in that it had a shorter back and tail, a deeply keeled breastbone, and a more compact back and hip.
Modern-day birds in general nest in trees and migrate. Modern-day birds, such as this American eagle, are very well suited for the environment around them. For example, American eagles are able to survive in a variety of different climates. They can fly exceptionally fast and see from up to 2 miles away, and do so many other things. Unfortunately, there aren't many American eagles left because they have a hard time reproducing in the harsh climates that they live in.
Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection is the survival and reproduction of organisms, such as plants and animals, that have traits that make them better suited for the environment around them. Natural selection, as we discussed in class, is the mechanism for changing a species, such as birds, because it allows organisms to gain an upper hand by adapting to the area around them. Velociraptors, for example, grew wings so that they could move faster, hunt more efficiently, and ultimately become one of the most dominant species of their era. With their wings, they can do millions of different things.
Today's birds are truly fascinating creatures. Birds are part of one of the most abundant species of animals in the world. There are actually 350 different species of parrots. Some birds even fly over 500 miles a day so that they can find food. A bird's feathers weigh more than its skeleton does. The feathers keep the bird warm, and the lightweight skeleton allows the bird to fly quickly. As we studied in class, the shape of a bird's beak directly corresponds to the type of diet it has. A bird with a large beak can eat large insects, and a bird with a sharp, pointed beak can crush food such as seeds. As you can see, birds have adapted in tons of different ways. No wonder there are so many different kinds of birds.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video.